I'm Bradley Cadman. I'm the Service Divisional Manager here at QuietPace, and I oversee and manage the after sales and service department. The minute the customer notices they've got a fault, to the minute our engineer grabs a signature from them to say it's complete, that completion is probably one of my favourite parts. So my passion just comes from that, just wanting to make sure problems are solved, things are fixed, customers are happy. There's nothing better than receiving a call from a customer to say thanks. So I wouldn't even like to say how many hundreds of years experience we got out in that field, because we've got several engineers that have worked for us for over 20 years, you know. Our Southern Service Manager has been with us 33 years. He celebrated his anniversary last week. Like I say, it's like we've got such a wealth of knowledge amongst the team, and nowadays in the digital age, you can share that knowledge so easy with each other. So everyone's a phone call or a video call away. We have an engineer within shooting distance for most of our sites, and I think that's something that we have over our competition, is that we have the most engineers in the field. If I was going to say something to a potential customer, it would probably be, you can trust us, we're honest, we'll do all we can to tailor our service to your needs. We're at the end of a phone, you can call us anytime. So we'll do everything we can to ensure that your product's fixed, maintained and lasts for as long as it can.